I did not want to be stuck in a box only talking about YouTube. Tell me why I feel like I've been running 100 miles going in the wrong direction. That might sound crazy to you, but that's how I feel. I was quiet. I wasn't on the platform for a while. I was Stella, and Stella needed to get her groove back. Between the burnout, family things, work things, watching YouTube, and watching my YouTube numbers go down the toilet, and me feeling like I wasn't being my authentic self, doing what I really wanted to do, that is when I had to take a pause and step back. But you know, I like to keep it real talk with Reva. You're going to hear me saying that a lot now that I'm pivoting my channel, because this is going to be real talk about real things more than just YouTube growth. I'm expanding. I know you saw my community post, but we're going to be doing some new things on my channel, and I hope you ride with me. Are you a ride or die? And in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about what we're going to be doing in this next chapter of growing on socials, especially if you are a Gen Xer. But before we get into all of that, I want you to stay tuned for a message of today's sponsor, Nexus Clips. If you've been making clips and you've been doing them the long way, like editing everything longhand, what are you doing? You need an AI software tool like Nexus Clips. Nexus Clips is the AI tool that I use to repurpose my long form videos. If you are on TikTok, like I am, and you need a software to repurpose your long form videos for shorts or TikToks or even your reels, Nexus Clips is a tool I use to repurpose my long form to short form content. It gives me 5 to 8 viral potential clips. I'm able to pick the best moments to give me the best outcomes for my shorts. Not only that, I love to put captions, especially if I'm on TikTok, because you know you need all the things on your videos, especially over on TikTok. Nexus Clips give me all types of captions in all kind of colors. I'm able to customize them or not. Nexus Clips also has the facial recognition tool that keeps my face in the place on all of my clips, because you guys know I move around a lot on my videos. If you want to try out this software, I'm going to leave you a 10% discount code down in the description. I was so tired of having YouTube mood swings that I decided to move myself on out of the way into another chapter of my content creation journey. I kept asking myself, what's the point of posting if I didn't feel like I was really present? I took a moment to try to really figure out who I was as a content creator. I did this without quitting. So this is what I'm calling a master reset. I'm resetting my channel after a year of going viral and having 3 viral videos and not wanting to be boxed into a corner of a YouTube growth non-expert. But now that we've grown to over 33,000 strong, it's time to branch out. That was always the plan from the very beginning. I did not want to be stuck in a box only talking about YouTube. I knew I was going to end up going on Instagram and LinkedIn and Facebook. But did you guys know that I'm on TikTok now? And over there on TikTok, it is the Wild Wild West, and I'm here for it. I like the energy there. It's fun. It's very fast paced. And if you guys want to learn TikTok, you want to learn LinkedIn, I'm going to be starting my newsletter. It's going to be a crazy and wonderful ride. And guess what? I'm going to be teaching you and sharing with you all along the way, because that's what I am. That's how God made me. I am a consummate teacher. I love sharing my journey, and I love sharing strategies that'll help you to grow while I'm growing, so we can grow together. My message and your message deserves to be just not in one place, but multiple places. Why not branch out? A lot of you guys are doing that anyway, even though in the beginning, if you were connected with me, I would have told you to focus and hunker down on one platform. And while that's good advice, especially if you lack consistency because you're trying to show up everywhere all at the same time, and then you end up burning yourself out, now I think if you're able to stay focused and consistent, why not branch out? Because you don't want to have all your proverbial content creation eggs in one basket. And if you're like me, if you're done chasing views and chasing algorithms and you want to chase actual alignment, then let's do it. Let's start today. All right, let's get into real talk with Reva. And that's me. I've been burned out 3 times this year. I talked about it on my other videos. And even though I had content schedules, I used to batch record. A lot of times I still found myself writing, filming, editing everything on the same day and becoming burnt out. Because even though I had a plan, I love fresh content and fresh ideas, or I felt like sometimes I needed to move with the trend and I was trend chasing because I was in the YouTube growth space and that's what I needed to do. But things are different now, times are changing, and so is my content. I always talk about being consistently better, and that's why I'm deciding to change my content. Because consistency is not just about posting nonstop. And that's what this next season is all about for me. It's about showing up stronger, smarter, and more strategic. If you're like me, feeling like you missed something or you missed the boat, or even like you missed a moment, let me tell you something. You haven't missed anything. What I want you to do is I want you to come hang out with me. Come hang out with our SKOOL community and our WhatsApp group. This is a place where creators like me and you, we're figuring all these things out together. We're not faking it. We're learning together. We're growing together. We're laughing together. And together, we're creating content with our authentic selves, with our authentic voices. This is the realest Reva 2.0. Me changing, me shifting, me pivoting into my most purpose-filled self. If you want to create content that aligns with your mindset and with your heart-centered self, and if you're tired of chasing the views and tired of chasing trends and you want to chase your purpose more, then I want you to consider subscribing. If you're already subscribed, what I want you to do is make sure you have your notification bell set to all, and then go on your phone and make sure that you have your notifications set to alert you when I have new videos coming out, because I don't want you to miss it. I'll see you the next time on the next video. Bye-bye.